How to add someone on Telegram with QR code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add someone on Telegram with your QR code. So first thing, head over to your Telegram and make sure you're logged in with your account, and once you do that, simply click on the left hamburger section, and from here simply click on the settings, and inside settings just head over to at the top section, that is you can see a QR icon. Simply click on it, and from over here you can just put a theme on your QR as well, and just share your QR with your friends like this. As you can see, when I click on share, you can send it to everyone for using various social media platforms like Instagram, Messenger chats, WhatsApp, even Gmail or Drive, etc. So but when you send it through the QR code by screenshotting it like this and sending it in the Telegram itself, as you can see, the friend to whom you send your QR code will see like this, and when they scan, they will be added to your friends as a Telegram friend. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.